Everyone, myself Sara Aziz, and I'm on the favor that we should study in winters because study is constant in even in winters and summer. Thank
Hello
you.
everyone. Today's topic is should we winter study? So my opinion is every time is very important. So you can study
You all are
anytime, any
feeling
second.
that we should not study in winters. There is some reason for you to support that?
Yes, firstly, we feel cold.
There are many reasons because in winter and when the sun is not rising, so we feeling very cold, and when we feeling very cold, we feel very lazy and we cannot do and like to do any work
You
at
don't,
that time.
you don't think that these all things you are saying is excuses for not studying. Season are only excuses for you. You can study in all season.
According to me and according to everyone boys, because when something we feel very and realizing that we should want to study, so that time we study, and not we never see the season and never see the time when we feel that we should study, so then
So
we
you
do it.
feel uncomfortable in summers also. Then you
Because
you
summer
should stop also.
winter
study.
is a season of laziness, I feel every winter.
But you
Not
have
for everyone. You are giving excuses from your own self, not our. We are always on time and we study in winters also.
I see that how many study you do.
Yes, we are. We can. We should.
In winter, so first when sun rises, we go at terrace and taking a sun, and we feel very sleepy and we sleep at that time, and also and the timing of 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. the flying kites is the many people started flying kites, and when we do study at that time we hear the sound of a people, and we cannot control ourselves to going at the terrace.
These are all excuses you are giving because if you if you sleep well according to your time, if you sleep 10 to 8, you will not feel sleepy at afternoon. In afternoon, how can you say we are not feeling
and
sleepy?
if you have to study, then you have to overcome out of your comfort zone.
Because in our coaching center and also at any place we complete our syllabus of a December, so we feel very relaxed and we enjoy at that time of January and December.
Yes,
No.
if this is the season when everyone is relaxing, then the student who are studying, they get
They
higher,
high
they
marks and
score
they
higher
top the-
marks.
study.
So the person who don't study at the starting, who that person doing study at that
How
time.
can you say this? How can you say
I
this?
said see it many person.
No,
I
it
see
is-
you also. You also doing study at that time.
How
I
can you
cannot
say,
say that
how
I
can
do
you
study at
give
that
example
time.
on me? It's I know that what I am doing.
The winter season is a very lazy time. You feel very lazy at this time. But if you see those person who is studying for any one exam, who is very motivated for his work, for his exam, as you saw your father who is working in winter in summer all the time.
Working
So-
and studying so different. The person
There's no
doing work. So
No,
he
no,
earn
no.
money.
Your
The
father is
person
working
doing-
for you.
Study is
Your
not
father
going
is
to help
working
you
for
in
you.
future.
You are studying for making your own future.
You can differentiate the working and a study. How can you say that the person who cannot do study he
Then
cannot do
if we
anything?
take our example of study and working, our fathers has done their studies in winters also. They have said that
And
they
So
wake
I
up
am
at
not-
4 a.m. They have wake up at 4 a.m. and round.
Who is
Can
waking
take
on
them.
4 a.m.? The person who making and become.
first of all, she is not comparing. She is telling that if your parents is
Working, then
working
you
for
should
you,
also study.
working for you.
So when the person taking
listen,
responsible of
listen,
our
let me
family, so
speak
he
first.
can do anything from our family.
Let me speak first.
You
If your parents is working for you, earning money for your career, then in winter also, then why should you give excuses of winter for not studying?
It's something in your life, so you do and proceed the work always and at the end. But when you're doing the work at the middle of
mix
the
the
time, so
topics.
you cannot do anything.
think that in winter there are so many distractions. Not in winter, there are so many distractions in every season.
The person who cannot
it depends on the person, what they are feeling, what the thing they are distracting from.
So
How
I
can you
also
say
feel
the winter
laziness
are
in
the
winter.
main reason for distractions?
This is your opinion, your own opinion.
It's
You are lazy in winter, only you, not
only
another.
you.
Yeah.
Where does the
No,
sun go?
some
This is your own thinking.
some people like you.
Yeah.
Why government taking decision winter holidays?
So then why there's summer holidays? Holidays are
Summer
also
holidays are so long.
क्या बोलने वाले?
There are only excuses of not to study. Either it is summer or winter.
And yes, we study in winter time because next month is board examination, and we prepared exam, and we should prepare study in winter time.
It means you should study only 1 month before exam, and it is the season of winter. And let me speak first. After then you answer. Okay.
Yes.
Winter season is a season of laziness. If student feels so much lazy, if you studying in blanket or sleeping in bed, then you feel the same thing. And laziness, if you started studying under the blanket, after 10 minutes you go to the sleep.
because it's not.
That's
It's
all
upon
depend
you.
their own mind
It's
concept.
upon you. It's upon you. If you're studying in
It's
time,
a season of laziness.
we
and it is
cannot
for
justify.
everyone.
We cannot
It is
justify
for
our
everyone.
excuse. We cannot justify our excuses according
It
to
means you study
season.
before 1 month exam.
No, it's not, because we
All
study
time
every
once.
month. We are just saying that winter is not excuse for not studying. Every month is for
I am
you
not
to
adding
study.
any kind
So
of
that's my
excuse.
Because
point, na?
there is no
I am not adding
examination
any
in
kind of
winter.
excuse.
Is there
I am
no
just
exam?
saying, I am just
Let
saying
me
it is the
speak.
season of laziness.
Let me speak.
In this you have to
One
focus
at a
on.
time.
Let me
In
speak.
this you have
Is there no examination in winters? Is there any rule according to government to ban the examination in winters?
I am not saying this.
Why do you
I
say
am
that?
not mention any kind of excuses. I am
if
just saying
exam are
it is
in
a season
winters,
of
then we should
laziness.
study in
And in this
winters
you
also.
have to focus on smart work, not hard work. It is a season of smart work.
Like you do smart work, not study in summers and not study in winters in
Why are you
before
taking-
1 month.
We are not
First-
saying that
first
we
of all,
don't
it
why
is
are
not
you
study in
saying
summer.
It's just all your excuses you are giving, because if there is no examination in winters, then these excuses are justified. But if there is examination
I
in
am not
winters,
adding
we
any kind
should
of
study.
excuses.
We should study in winters
You
also.
don't listen my any sentences. Only you are fighting.
No, I have
Only
listened. You are
fighting.
not
I am
listening.
not adding any kind of excuses. I am just describing the season. It is a
Of
season
every
of
student.
laziness. I am not saying that you don't have to.
I'm not a student. I do not feel the same according to you all.
Okay, you are apart from humans.
Not, we are not saying that humans. I'm also a student, but I do not feel laziness in
Everyone feel. Because
I do not feel.
Everyone study on blanket in
If you are
winters.
taking your example of you all, I'll take my example that I do not feel.
Okay, means you are 1%.
No, we cannot say there are 2% also.
If
You
you're
are
taking the
also
example of-
first before you are also sitting here. You are also here, and now we are why? In conclusion, I would like to say that we should study in winters. Every student has to become serious according to their career. If they are serious, they will study. And if you are making excuses, it's not justified for you.
So hello everyone. My opinion, my conclusion on this topic is that in winters you only chill and eat chuda matar with coffee. Do not take any kind of tension of exams. Just chill and chill. हो गया.